Hey, if you guys are good at these ones, you should be able to tell me right away which of these is vertical and which of these is horizontal. You should be able to tell me right away that this one right here is horizontal and that this one right here is vertical. How do we know that? Okay, the bigger number is 25 right here, right? 25. Okay, so because 25 is underneath the x, we know this ellipse will be horizontal. This ellipse would be vertical. Now, in order to graph our ellipse, we need to know the A and the B. What's the A? What's the B? All right, so what is the A, students? It is 5. That's right. This is A squared. Therefore, A is 5. So if I have A, I just write A equals. What's B? 4. Quattro. Do we know what C is? Not by looking at this. Do we know how to find C? Yeah, C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So C squared equals 25 minus 16. So C squared equals 9. So C equals 3. Now once you know all these things, now you just graph it.
Wait, how'd you get all the way?
This might help some of you guys. Sorry, let me pause for a second. We have x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. This is a standard form for a horizontal asymptote. How do I know it's horizontal? Because the a is underneath the x. The a is almost like the determining part of the ellipse. And a is always greater than b. So that means over here, what's my a squared for number 36? 169, that's right, because 169 is bigger. Which was my a squared for number 38? Quattro. That's right, that's right, that's right. Okay, now coming back to this guy, let's finish graphing him. I know the center is always at the origin because we don't have anything adding or subtracting inside of parentheses to the x or the y. If we had x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared, because we would have an h and k, we would know that our center is not the origin anymore. The center is now the h and k, but we're not dealing with that. We're dealing with these guys, which has no h and k. So we start at the center, at the origin. So the a is going to go out to the left and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put my dots right there. Those are my vertices. And then I count 1, 2, 3, 4 for my co-vertice. And then I count down 1, 2, 3, 4 for my other co-vertice. And then I start drawing things. Boom. And then I count out for my focus. Now my focus is only 3 spaces away, so I put a focus right here. And I put a focus right here. And we done. Now, could you guys tell me what the points are for the vertices? Plus or minus 5, 0. This is 5, 0. And this right here is negative 5, 0. All right, so plus or minus 5, 0 would give us our vertices. All right, is that all it wanted? Find the center, 0, 0, and the vertices of the ellipse and sketch his graph. All right, we done.